Cost-benefit analysis helps businesses improve daily decision-making. By systematically comparing the costs and benefits, you can determine whether a particular course of action is worth pursuing. It enables you to cut through uncertainty, prioritize your options, and focus on initiatives that deliver the best results. In this video, we'll explore the steps to conduct an effective cost-benefit analysis, giving you a practical framework for making decisions that align with your business goals and drive sustainable growth. Cost-benefit analysis revolves around two main elements: costs and benefits. Let's break these down further. Costs are the resources you'll need to invest in a decision. Direct costs are expenses directly tied to the project, such as purchasing materials or hiring staff. Indirect costs are secondary expenses, like increased utility bills or administrative overhead. Fixed costs are ongoing expenses that don't change with output, like rent or salaries. Variable costs fluctuate based on activity levels, such as raw materials or shipping fees. Opportunity cost refers to the value of alternatives that are foregone when making a decision. It highlights the potential benefits that are missed by choosing one option over another. Benefits are the positive outcomes expected from the decision. They fall into two categories. Tangible benefits are measurable returns, such as increased revenue, cost savings, or improved productivity. Intangible benefits are harder to quantify advantages like improved customer satisfaction, enhanced employee morale, or better brand reputation. Identifying and categorizing these elements is the first step to understanding the potential impact of your decisions. Only those costs and benefits that change as a result of the decision should be included in the analysis. Past costs and costs that would occur regardless of the decision should be ignored. The key question to ask is, what will be different if we take this action versus if we don't? Cost-benefit analysis is a step-by-step process for making informed decisions. Start by clearly defining the business question or problem you're addressing. A well-defined scope helps focus the analysis and ensures you don't overlook critical details. Compile a comprehensive list of costs associated with the decision. Include one-time expenses such as equipment purchases, setup fees, or marketing campaigns. Recurring expenses like maintenance, labor, or utilities. Potential indirect expenses, such as employee training or reduced efficiency during implementation. Quantify these costs in monetary terms, being realistic and thorough to avoid surprises later. Identify the expected benefits of the decision, including tangible and intangible benefits. Estimate the dollar value of each cost and benefit. Use reliable data and realistic assumptions to avoid overestimating benefits or underestimating costs. Document your assumptions to make the analysis transparent and easy to adjust later if needed. Subtract the total costs from the total benefits to calculate the net benefit. A positive net benefit indicates that the benefits outweigh the costs, making the decision financially viable. Test your results under different scenarios to account for uncertainties. For example, what happens if costs are 10% higher than expected? How does the analysis change if benefits take longer to materialize? A sensitivity analysis helps identify risks and ensures your decision remains sound under varying conditions. With all the information in hand, evaluate whether the benefits outweigh the costs. Consider additional factors such as time, risk, and alignment with your business goals. One of the most challenging aspects of cost-benefit analysis is assigning monetary value to intangible benefits. When faced with this challenge, you can use break-even analysis to reframe the decision. Instead of trying to precisely quantify intangible benefits, this approach determines how valuable these benefits would need to be to justify the investment. Break-even analysis calculates the point at which the total benefits of a decision equal its total costs. It determines the minimum value that these intangible benefits must provide to justify their costs and make the initiative worthwhile. Calculate the total costs associated with the decision. Quantify the tangible benefits. Determine the remaining gap by subtracting the tangible benefits from the total costs. Assess the feasibility of the intangible benefits filling the gap. For instance, will the improved brand reputation attract enough new customers to justify the expense? Will enhanced employee satisfaction lead to sufficient long-term productivity gains? Cost-benefit analysis should not only focus on new initiatives. Regular evaluation of existing products, processes, and operations is essential for maintaining efficiency and competitiveness within an organization. Market conditions can change. Hidden costs can accumulate. Opportunity costs grow. A product or process that was once profitable may no longer align with current demands or cost structures. Identify the costs avoided by discontinuing an activity, such as cost of sales, staffing, or maintenance. Measure the foregone benefits you would lose by discontinuing the product or process, such as revenue streams or synergies with other processes. Compare the results. If the avoided costs of discontinuing outweigh the foregone benefits, it may be time to end or change the course of action. Incorporating regular cost-benefit reviews into your operations is a proactive approach to sustaining growth, minimizing waste, and maximizing the value of your business activities. Cost-benefit analysis is a valuable tool for making well-informed decisions in both business and life. By systematically evaluating the costs and benefits of a decision or project, decision makers can identify the most economically efficient option, allocate resources wisely, and mitigate risks effectively. Through a thorough and thoughtful cost-benefit analysis, organizations can pave the way for better choices and improved outcomes. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of cost-benefit analysis. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to receive notifications about future videos.